Hi, lovely people. How is your day going? Mine's going okay. But if you read from the title, I'm going to be unboxing the September 2018 Lola Beauty Box. This box to me was one of my top threes, but it's getting later and later that I'm receiving this every month. Today's Saturday when I'm filming, and I believe I got this box like Thursday. So I don't know what's going on. I used to get this box like the middle of the month, every month, and now it's getting later and later. It's almost October. So I don't know what's going on. Also, before we begin, I want to talk about this backdrop. I ordered this from Amazon. I just got this a few days ago as well. I have to let it hang so it can get all the wrinkles out, but it looked totally different online. This is like a microfiber, but when I hang it, it looks more like a curtain. So I don't really care for this, so I ordered another one, and hopefully that'll come in a few days, but I want to see how it looks once the wrinkles and everything else is out. Let me know what you think down below. I don't really care for it, so if you don't like it, it will not hurt my feelings, but let me know. Anyway, if you don't know, this is a $21 a month subscription. I'm going to cut the tape. I haven't even opened it, so we shall see what's in here. But let me know down below, or do you guys get your boxes late? For some reason, this month has been like really horrible for subscription boxes. All right, so I don't know if I told you, this is a $21 a month subscription. And when you open it up, it looks like this right there. And the theme for this month is Vacation Farewell. I guess because it's almost the end of, well, it is the end of summer. It's actually fall now. So that's what it looks like. And on the back does tell you what everything is and does give you prices. But if you can see, on camera, when it's like this, I can read it a little better. But by just looking at it, how they have like the light yellow, my eyesight isn't as good as it used to be. So I have a hard time reading these. This font is a little better, but sometimes the font comes in that you can't even read it. So I will do my best. All right, I'm going to pull out the first thing I see. And the first thing that I see is a Path of Light. This is the Andalou Naturals Shea Butter and Cocoa Butter Hand Cream. And I love getting hand cream. I live in New Jersey, so it gets very cold here, and I am diabetic, so my hands always get really dry and they like crack. My legs, like all my skin, so I really enjoy getting hand cream. I keep hand cream and chapstick like everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's either hand cream or chapstick. And let me find this to tell you the price on this. Okay, so this would be $8.95. It says organic sea buckthorn oil, fair trade shea, and cocoa butter absorb quickly, leaving hands nourished, protected, and ready to meet the day. So let's put it on there. There's no safety seal, but let's see. So it's kind of thick. Let's see. Oh, it does smell really good. I do like it. I do like that a lot. Oh, so I'm happy to get it. Do I like getting in a beauty box lotions? For me, I don't mind. I know there are certain people that just want all makeup. For me, I enjoy getting skincare, makeup, and also hair care. It doesn't bother me. All right, the next thing that I see is from Laga. Now, this brand here, I believe I got an eyeshadow palette from this brand, which I really like. And I also got some of their lipsticks. So this is in the shade Rose Royce. So I don't know what this is. Let's open her up and see what it is. Okay. Come on. Let's see. Can't get this thing out. I hate to rip the box. I'm just going to have to rip the box. This is really pretty packaging. Okay. So, oh, this is really pretty. It's like a mirror in the back. And this is Laga by Lighter Rose Royce. Well, what is it? A blighter. What is a blighter? Okay, so there we go. So it looks like maybe a cream highlighter. Let's see. That's what it looks like on the finger. So let me swap. Oh, that's really pretty. Right there. I don't know if you can see. It's like subtle. It's really pretty. You can wear this as a cream highlighter. You can also, if you wear matte lipstick, you can also put it right in the center to make your lips look a little fuller. You can also wear this as a base, a cream eyeshadow. You can wear this all different ways. If I didn't have lip gloss over this lipstick, I would show you how it looks. But that is really, really pretty. I do like that. And let me read what it says. Okay, that would be $17. It's a blush, it's a highlighter, it's a blighter. Sorry. Okay, Rose Royce is a creamy balm that reacts to the warmth of the skin for a flawless blend. This shade is the newest of the Blighter collection, and it's a rosy color with perfect purple shimmery finish. Its smooth application leaves a pigmented glow for the perfect strobe contour and touch of color. I don't know if I'd wear it as a blush. I mean, I guess you can wear it as a blush topper, but for me, my blushes, bronzer, I like them matte. I don't like them really with any shimmer, but I would definitely wear this as a highlighter or, like I said, on your lips or what have you. Okay, so that's nice. The next thing we got is a matte liquid lipstick in Samara. But who is this by? This is what it says. This is Beauty by Brianna. That's another reason why I like subscriptions, because you find brands that you really never heard of. And if you didn't get it, like I never heard of this, or if I did, I may not purchase this. So I'm glad that I get to try different brands. And oh, this is really pretty. And see what I like and what I don't like. This says this would be $19. A highly comfortable, extremely long wear liquid lipstick that dries matte with intense color payoff and is transfer proof and kiss proof. Okay, so let's see the test of that. This is pretty. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to build it up because you can see it's awful patchy. A lot of times with colors like this, can be very patchy. So let's see if you can build it up. Yeah, you can build it up. Okay. Doesn't really have like an scent to it. So that's what she looks like. So it still is patchy. But let's see if it dries down. All right. The next thing we got is a Cella Top Eyebrow Cream. So I got this before. This is a little bit too light for me. I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I do like the I do like the formula of it. It's just not my shade. How much was this? This is $26. It says, this eyebrow cream formula has rich, velvety consistency that's effortless applies to the eyebrows. After application, it can be blended onto your eyebrows and skin to create a truly natural looking finish. And I do agree with what they said. So I will definitely put that in a future giveaway. And last but not least, we got a palette. Okay, so this is Poolside by IBY. I noticed we've been getting a lot of palettes by in our subscription boxes, and I am not knocking it because I love getting eyeshadow palettes. If I can, what is wrong with me? I can't open nothing up today. Let's see. This is what happens when you don't edit your videos. Come on, Ann. Okay. Got it. All right. Okay, so it looks just like the packaging. Really, really pretty. Ooh, that's pretty. So it comes with a mirror. This is gorgeous. Look at that. I love a palette that has mixtures of metallics or satins and mattes. And this looks like what it has in it. And how much is this? This would be $20. So that's good. So I'm going to do some swatches on this hand. Ooh, I like this one. I like that one. And this one. These are like shimmers. So let's see what it looks like. That's pretty. Ooh, that's what that looks like. That is gorgeous. Okay, let me do a couple mattes. and see what the mattes look like. And give me another matte. Let's do this blue one. And there we go. Oh, that's gorgeous. There are the mattes right there, just some of them. I really like this. I have a few of these IBY palettes, and I really do like, and I definitely think it's worth the price. So that's cool. So that's everything that we got. Let's see if this, okay, so this is dried down. And I'm touching it pretty hard, if you guys can see. And nothing on my finger, so that's good. Yeah, look. Nothing. So that's good. So I really like this box, even though Lola, you were late as hell with bringing this to me. But I'm not mad because I love this eyeshadow palette. I really, really like that we get different type of lipsticks so I can try it. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm going to try it on my lips and see how drying it is, because I have a matte lipstick on now, and I always like to put like a lip gloss on top of it because I don't like that dry feeling. If you hear people outside, we have a basketball court and the kids are playing basketball out there. So this is gorgeous. I love, love, love this. Like I said, I have other things from this brand, the Laga brand, which I haven't found anything that I don't like from this brand. This, I'm glad we got it. I don't know if I would pay $26 for this, but I will put this in a giveaway because it's not my shade. And what else did we get? We got this. We got the eyeshadow palette. Is that all? Did we just get 4 things? The Laga, the IBY, the Cella, Beauty by Brianna. Oh, and the hand cream. So I will leave everything down below with adding everything up, what the value is, if it's worth the $21. I definitely do. I really do think it's definitely worth it. Let me know what you think. Check out my description box. Like I said, I will add everything up, put it in the description box for you. So let me know what you think of this box. I know a lot of people compare this to BoxyCharm a lot. BoxyCharm has been up for almost 4 years. This is a newer company, I believe maybe about a year. So I think they're getting better and better. I just wish they get better with the shipping. But anyway, let me know what you think. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure you leave a comment down below. And as always, I leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.